Tagbilaran City, Bohol, Philippines, please welcome Mark Magnifico Magsayo!
Go Macaroni!
Skill level that.
You know Magsayo, he's experienced, he's gonna go. So, obviously mixed.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ay bakbakan.
Sa mundo ng boxing, may mga mandirigmang hindi basta nalilimutan. Mga pangalan na kahit lumipas ang panahon, nananatiling banta sa kahit sinong champion.
Here we go!
Yan ang puwersa na taglay ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Bagsak na naman!
Isa sa mga pangalang yon, si Mark Magnifico Magsayo, may dalang 28 panalo, 18 knockout at 2 pagkatalo. Isang dating WBC featherweight world champion ng Pilipinas na kinilala hindi lang sa bilis, kundi sa tapang at lakas ng kamao. Isang uri ng fighter na kayang tapusin ang laban sa isang eksaktong suntok. Ngayon, muling hahakbang si Magnifico sa pandaigdigang entablado. April 5, 2026, Las Vegas, USA, Meta Apex Arena. Sa kabilang sulok, isang batang contender mula Ireland, si Fergal McCrory. May record na 17 panalo, 1 talo at 9 na knockout. Gutom sa oportunidad, uhaw sa pagkilala at handang kunin ang spotlight.
Carlson never caught him with that left hook. Body shot.
Pero para kay Magsayo, hindi ito basta laban. Ito ay pagbubukas ng panibagong kabanata ng kanyang karera. Dahil ito ang kanyang unang laban sa ilalim ng Zuffa Boxing, ang bagong promotional banner ni Dana White. Isang bagong sistema, mas malalaking laban, mas mataas na antas ng kompetisyon. Sa papel, magkasing lakas ang dalawang mandirigma. Parehong may knockout power, parehong may karanasan sa ring. Pero may isang bagay na maaring magbigay ng lamang kay Magsayo, ang kanyang likas na pagiging finisher. Kapag tumama, hindi na kailangan ng maraming suntok. Isang malinaw na tama lang, pwedeng matapos ang laban. At para mas maunawaan ang tunay niyang lakas, balikan natin ang isa sa kanyang dominanteng panalo.
Mixed.
Laban kontra sa Mexican fighter na si Brian Mercado. Ginanap sa Thunder Studios, Long Beach, California. Sa unang round pa lamang, agad ipinakita ni Magsayo ang kanyang intensyon. Mga suntok na direkta, malinaw, at may bigat.
Gonna stay busy. And you're gonna be evenly matched up. It's not gonna be a cakewalk where someone takes you out to dinner. You're gonna have to earn every round, earn every single punch. And he's matched up with a man with 18 professional fights.
We saw him with that left hand. So Magsayo's got to be ready. He's got to be alert.
I'm liking what I see already. I saw the step over, as if to say, I want an early night, but I want to give everybody an opportunity to show my skills to the world once again.
So that beautiful setup right there from Magsayo, and that's what we talked about in the dressing room. I talked to him, I talked to his wife. So that beautiful setup right there from Magsayo, and that's what we talked about in the dressing room. I talked to him, I talked to his wife. He said, I can't overreach, I can't lunge in, and he's starting to do that. He's got to set it
and wait for you to make a mistake. He needs to let his hands go. Muncie, y'all, he has to let it go. Let your hands go. You're in a fight. You sit back and pace. You're looking at the stars.
He almost got him there with that left. And Brian Mercado, he's ready. Let's remember and let's remind people that Brian Mercado was supposed to fight November 30th against Kermel Moten. When Moten came in 15 pounds over the weight limit. Moten, obviously, Mercado was supposed to fight November 30th against Kermel Moten. When Moten came in 15 pounds over the weight limit. Moten, obviously, a great prospect from
What's with these Mayweather fighters? They seem to come overweight. That's part of their game plan. And even the advice they give people coming over.
I don't know. Sometimes you get away with it, and they're waiting. I guess they hope that the fighter will take the fight and have that advantage. But Brian said, nope, I'm not taking the fight. Here he is. Ooh. against Magsayo, like you mentioned, an experienced fighter, speed, power, he's got it. He's letting his hands go. Here he is. Ooh.
Kyle's cutting the ring off right now. He's just waiting. He's participating. He knows what's in front of him. He can feel the skill level that's in front of him. There you go.
Tinamaan sa katawan si Mercado at bumagsak. Tumayo man, halatang ramdam na niya ang lakas ng Pinoy.
He dropped his mouthpiece. That's experience right there. A better move. He dropped his mouthpiece. That's experience right there. A better move to catch some air. To gain a better move to catch some air. To gain opportunity to recover. That's experience right there. A better move. A better move to catch some air. To gain opportunity to.
Hindi nagtagal, isang solidong kaliwa ang muling nagpabagsak sa kanya. Nakabangon pa bago matapos ang round. Pero malinaw, kontrolado na ni Magsayo ang laban.
Oh, look at that. Brandon
They're
Gibbons.
probably talking about the mouthpiece that he spent, but here he is again, Magsayo. Magsayo is a great finisher, but hey, the time is up.
Pagdating ng ikalawang round, wala nang aksaya. Sunod-sunod na body shots. Walang tigil, walang awa. Muling bumagsak si Mercado.
Having fun in there.
This referee, I think he's getting ready to call it.
Let's count. Get the stick count. Let him see. Let him see what he has.
Referee, I think he's getting ready to call it.
Dito na tinapos ni Magsayo ang paghihirap ng bato-batong si Mercado. At sa pagkakataong ito, hindi na siya pinayagang magpatuloy. Itinigil ng referee ang laban. Isang malinaw na knockout victory para kay Mark Magnifico, Magsayo. Isang performance na muling nagpaalala sa mundo kung gaano siya kadelikado. Ngayon, mas malaking hamon ang nasa harap niya. Mas mataas ang stakes, mas mabigat ang pressure. Ang tanong, magiging world champion pa kaya muli si Mark Magnifico? Magsayo, ano sa tingin mo? Ikomento mo ang sagot kasama na ang inyong lugar para malaman natin saan umabot ang suporta ng mga Pilipino sa laban ni Magsayo kontra McCrory ngayong April 4, 2026 sa Las Vegas.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.